Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Spa Clear Water Clarifier on the market, Leisure Time A Spa Bright and Clear. If you're struggling with cloudy water in your spa or hot tub, this product could be your ultimate solution. Stay tuned as we break down exactly how it works, what makes it special, and how to use it for the best results. Leisure Time A Spa Bright and Clear is specifically designed to enhance water clarity and optimize filter performance. It's not just a clarifier, it's a complete solution that helps maintain a pristine spa environment. The formula uses advanced polymer technology to gather tiny particles floating in your spa water. Particles so small they often slip through the filter. Once bound together, these particles become large enough for your filter to catch and remove them, leaving the water sparkling and inviting. Now let's talk about why this clarifier stands out. First, it's compatible with a wide range of sanitizers. Whether you're using chlorine, bromine, ozone, or even biguanide systems, you can integrate this clarifier into your routine without any compatibility issues. That flexibility makes it a go-to option for nearly any spa owner. Another major benefit is its role in preventing scale formation. Scale buildup can damage your spa equipment over time and reduce overall efficiency. Leisure Time Bright and Clear helps reduce this risk by maintaining the ideal balance in your water chemistry. Not only does this extend the life of your filter and jets, but it also reduces maintenance, and that means more time enjoying your spa and less time cleaning it. Usage is simple and convenient. The product comes in an 8 fluid ounce bottle, and it's recommended for weekly use. All you need to do is pour the suggested amount directly into your spa while the water is circulating. That circulation helps the clarifier mix evenly and immediately go to work collecting those microscopic particles that cause cloudiness. Let's quickly walk through what to expect after adding it. Within a few hours, you'll likely notice a significant improvement in water clarity. The water becomes more transparent, looks more appealing, and just feels cleaner. Plus, your filters won't have to work as hard to keep things clear. The clarifier is doing the heavy lifting. Now, who is this product for? Whether you're a new hot tub owner or a seasoned spa enthusiast, Leisure Time Bright and Clear offers an easy way to maintain water clarity. It's especially useful after heavy spa use, such as parties or family gatherings, when the water tends to get murky. And here's a quick tip. Use it consistently. Like any good maintenance product, the results get better over time. Weekly use ensures ongoing clarity and protection, giving you that fresh, clean water experience every time you step into your spa. To wrap it up, Leisure Time A Spa Bright and Clear is a powerhouse product that enhances your spa water's appearance and performance. With its easy application, broad compatibility, and scale prevention properties, it's a must-have in your spa care arsenal. That's why we call it the best Spa Clear Water Clarifier available today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the best products out there. Have questions or want to see a comparison with other clarifiers? Drop a comment below. See you in the next one.